Are you stuck trying to change your Xero password? Here is exactly how to do it in 60 seconds. If you have been locked out or you are just worried about your account security, I have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will go from feeling frustrated and insecure to confidently updating your password in under a minute. You will have full control over your account security, and it is way simpler than you think. All right, here's the plan. I am going to walk you through every single click, from the moment you log in to the moment you hit save. Just follow along with me on your screen, and you will be done before you know it. Start with the first step, logging in. Go ahead and head over to the Xero login page and sign in like you normally would. This is the exact same spot where you enter your email and password every day. Once you are in, you will see your main dashboard. Now, once logged in, locate your profile icon. Look up to the very top right corner of your screen. You will see a little circle with your initials or maybe a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will pop up. From the drop-down, select Account. In that menu, you will see a few options, but the one you want is labeled Account. Click on that. It will open up your personal account settings page. Scroll down to find the Password section. You are on the account page now, so just start scrolling down. Keep going until you see a section clearly labeled Password. It is usually about halfway down the page, right above something like your security details. Click the Change button next to Password. Right there, next to the word Password, you will see a small button that says Change. Click on that. A few new fields will pop up for you to fill in. First, type your current password. This is the password you are using right now to log in. Type it carefully into the first box. Make sure there are no typos here, because if it is wrong, you won't be able to move forward. Now create a strong new password. This is the really important part. Think of something that is hard to guess, but easy for you to remember. A good rule is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character or two. Type your new password into the second field. And here is a quick tip. Xero will show you a strength meter to let you know if your password is secure enough. Re-enter the new password to confirm. In the third field, type that exact same new password again. Double-check it. They need to match perfectly, or Xero won't let you save. Finally, click Save to apply the change. Look for the blue Save button at the bottom of this section. Click it. You might see a brief spinning icon while it processes, but that is totally normal. Within a second or two, you will get a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. And that is it. You have just changed your Xero password in under 60 seconds. Your account is now more secure, and you have complete control over your login access. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. And if you want more quick and clear tech guides like this one, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.